your license center. Today I'll be using our company map, which is very similar to the one TFL has, to show you how to enter and exit Blackwall Tunnel properly. Some people do find this part of Blackwall Tunnel quite hard because it is very complex, but hopefully this video will help. Now, in order to do a tunnel, you need to go from tunnel approach to tunnel approach. But the main things you should be looking out for are these little things right over here where it says Blackwall Tunnel Approach. And on the other side, it would say right here, Tunnel Approach. Okay, so starting from here, coming from the north, if I were to want to enter Blackwall Tunnel, I would go straight down. That would be my first entrance to Blackwall Tunnel. That would take me right into. Now, the next entrance would be if I were coming from the A13, I would take this little road to go inside Blackwall Tunnel. That would be my second entrance into Blackwall Tunnel. My third entrance would be if I were coming from All Saints. I would take this little road that says RD. This is also Brunswick Road. And I would do a little turn into Blackwall Tunnel. And that would be my third entrance. The exits, there are also three main exits that you can take from Blackwall Tunnel. So the first one would be if I were to go over to the west, I could go as such, just taking a turn on here, making sure not to touch any of these black dots or lines. If I would want to go north, I can just follow straight through, just like so, and into the north. If I wanted to go east into the A13, I would take this little road that says RD right over here, which is also St. Leonard's Road, do a little turn, and there I go on the A13. So that would be the three main entrances and three main exits. And hopefully this video explains much clearer how you can sort of enter and exit Blackwall Tunnel, and do look out for our next video where I will explain how to do this route in particular. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.